So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to set up payroll in Xero. First, ensure the bank account selected in your payroll settings is the actual business account you use to pay your staff. Next, confirm and customize the payslip tab. Just upload your company logo and select exactly what balances like annual leave or sick leave you want visible to your employees on their payslip. Keep your pay items as streamlined as possible while staying compliant with your relevant modern awards. You do not need to separate items for hourly pay and salary pay. You can use a single ordinary earnings item and define the rate structure later on the individual employee's profile. If you are migrating from another system mid-year, you will temporarily use special pay items to enter opening the YTD, which is year-to-date balances. This ensures the final PAYG payment summaries are perfectly accurate. Now the payroll calendar defines your pay cycle. When setting this up, Xero will ask for a start date and a payment date. Every employee must be linked to a calendar to appear in a pay run. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. And drop a comment down below letting us know what to cover next. And I will see you on the next video.